Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to add text behind an object or image in Canva. Now let's get started.
Alright, so imagine you've got a nice photo, maybe a person, maybe a product, and you want that clean, eye catching effect where the text sits behind it. First, open Canva and create a new design, or just open a project you're already working on. Now go ahead and upload your image or pick one from the Elements tab and place it on the canvas. Now here's where things get interesting. Select your image and duplicate it. Yeah, we're going to use two copies of the same image. With the top copy selected, click on Remove Background. But here's the thing, you can remove the background if you're on Canva Pro. Otherwise, it may contain a small watermark. Now let's bring in the text. Head over to the Text tab, add a heading and type whatever you want. Take a second here, adjust the font size and spacing so it actually stands out. Now select your text, right click, go to the layer option and choose Send to Back. At first, it might disappear completely behind the image. Don't worry, that's normal. Just click on Position and go to Layers. Now bring it forward until it sits right between the two image layers. And there it is, that clean text behind subject effect. From here, it's all about fine-tuning. Move the text around, adjust the size, and tweak the spacing. You can go to the Effects tab to add some text effects to give it a bit more personality. Take your time with this part. Small changes can make a big visual difference. Once everything looks good, just download your design. And that's how you add text behind an object or image in Canva.